We are incredibly excited about our exoe line of products and our plant-based serums. What we've seen is an expansion of this entire line, not just from the Skin Revitalizing Complex with detox, exoe, and repair, but also now expanding into skincare serum coming here in the near future. Incredibly excited about what we can offer patients in the terms of anti-aging and revitalization of the skin. We've seen a huge expansion of the exoe line even to overseas. I had the opportunity to go over and talk about this in Europe when we launched the product over there, and the growth of this product and the excitement around the bio-based line is like nothing I've ever seen before. Not just here in the United States, but really all across Europe and the globe really, of the expansion of this product line. What makes the exoe family of products different is it's 100% natural plant-based serums. We basically wanted to go from being able to start with detoxing the skin to having a revitalization complex to having an anti-aging serum, but also not just skin, the hair as well. Really kind of from head to toe, we have a solution now in a complete package, and we're super excited about not just the efficacy of these serums, but the safety profile on them as well. We have a true commitment to bring innovative products to the marketplace.